So over here you can see that I have a form, and if you want to change out the location of this form in the way you want, then what you can do is you can go to design view and place them however you like. So to do that, first of all, you need to go to view right here, and over here at the end you can see design view is an option, and once you go around into design view you can see this right here. So you can resize out things like over here. So I'm just going to go around. You can resize out the footer, you can pull this out right here as you can see, and then arrange out the fields according to how you like it. So let's say you want to keep the skill over here just like this, you can just pull this out, and then however you like it, you can just go around, design it over here. So you can pull, let's say for example, the price over here. So you can keep this over here right here. You can go around, put the expertise right here just like this. So just pull, and you can see that that is how it works. You can go around, expand the area right here as well. So you can simply go around and place them together just like this. So let me keep the expertise right here. Let me just resize the fields out right here according to how you like it. And you can see in design view, you can really go around and place this wherever you like. So you can go around right here, place this here. So let's say for the price, I'm just going to go around, keep it somewhere over here. And for the skill level, I'm going to go around, keep this over here. So let me just go around and then resize this. So let me just resize this out over here. And this is what you have. So over here on the top, you can rename this to whatever you like. So I'm just going to go around and rename this to TutuTube right here. So you can go around and format this according to how you like it and choose the theme you like as well. So I'm going to go around over here onto format, and let's say I'm going to bold this, and maybe I also want to go around over here and change the color. So let me just go around over here and change the color to, let's say, something like a dark blue right here. And similarly, you can go around over here and apply some colors if you wish to, or go around and format this according to how you like it. You can go around and then bold this out right here. So let me bold that out right here, bold this out right here. So you can see that you can really go around and change around the things according to how you like it right here, and arrange out the forms. So that is what you can do right here. You can press Ctrl Z to go back over here as well. So I'm going to go around and right align this maybe, and right align this so it's more closer to the field right here. Let me just go around and right align this over here as well. Go around over here, select this, bold this out. Go around over here, select this, and bold it out over here as well. So now what you can do is you can go around, and then if I were to go from design view right here, so this is the design view, and if I were to go to form view, now you can see that everything is according to how we arranged out in the design view right here. You can go around over here and then change this however you like, as you can see right here. So you can go around onto formatting, change the things according to how you like it. So that is how you can use the design view to change around and place around the fields and everything else according to how you like it inside of Microsoft Access. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.